This is where we're eating?
No, actually, that's where we're eating. He's ours for the night.
Wow. So, how exactly are we paying for this?
Well, we pooled our allowances.
Yeah, right, Annie.
Okay, Grandfather chipped in a bit.
Annie?
Okay, he chipped in a lot. Come on, you guys are gonna love it.
Pretty snazzy.
Elizabeth and Nick, your dinner awaits you.
Girls?
The table's only set for two.
Oh, that's the other part of the surprise. We're not joining you.
You're not.
No, but I am. Good evening, I'm Chessie, and I'll be your server this evening. No wisecracks, please.
And I am Martin, your sommelier. May I offer you both a taste of the bubbly, in the hope that you'll get a bit schnockered and not fire this lovely lady and myself for following the orders of these audacious 11-year-olds.
Annie, mood music, please.
Just relax. Sail through time. Back to yesteryear.
I hope you